judge me too harshly.
Papa.
Bad chance, Levine.
What are you doing here?
I can ask myself the same question.
What?
That was, as they say, a joke. And it's one of literally tens of jokes I can teach you.
Oh
If
my.
you join me.
Wait a second. Andy, you want to coach me?
That's right. You need my wisdom. After all,
Well,
I've
you
been
just
over
made a big
100
circle,
shows,
Lily.
as well as 3
You played Ring Around the Rosie. Ring around the Rosie.
And I've dealt with my fair share of singers turned actors, Timberlake.
Yeah, we get it.
Whoa,
The
whoa,
point is, let me
whoa.
coach
You about
you.
got your
We have
nose
so much in
taken
common.
off.
We both slept with between 200 and 500 women. And we both have angelic singing voices. This voice is as good as yours. Oh, yeah. Ready for my case?
Don't clap for that. That was terrible. Well, I guess, Andy, if you think you can help us.
I'm high energy and I love everything and I never put my hands down.
Papa.
Cameron, you want to coach me?
That's right, Adam. And if you want to succeed in comedy, you have to check your pride at
Oh,
the
like
door.
on the
You have
voice?
to be willing to fall down. You have to be willing to shake your butt. You have to be willing to take a handful of Ben Stiller's spooch and put it right in your hair.
Really?
And we've all done it.
Lily?
Come here now. Come here. Stop, turn around, smile. Lily! Come here. Lily! Lily! Come here. Come here. There she is.
Taking my shirt off.
Uh-oh. Your pants are foot's in your pants again.
He's not taking his shirt off.
Wow.
Hello, Adam.
Wait a minute. You want to help me host?
That's right, Adam. I should be your coach.
Fix your pants.
Let
me fix your pants.
Can I see this?
I know that racket inside and out. I spent 9 years on
Oh, you've been taking a video. Let's watch it.